This is how you can get the eggplant seedlings. Use a small pot like this to get the seedlings. And the potting mixture contains 1 topsoil and 1 compost. Additionally, you can use coir dust to cover the seeds. Do not put the seeds deep in the soil. Just add the seeds to the top and cover it with a slight layer of coir dust, or filtered soil that has no big particles. After around 14 days, when the seedlings are 2 to 3 inches long, now you can replant those in a bigger pot as single plants. When you remove the plants, be careful with the roots. Therefore, use a spoon to safely remove the plants without damaging the roots. Once replanted, keep the plant in an area that has no direct sunlight and put adequate water. After 5 days, now you can expose the plant to direct sunlight, as now the roots are stable. When plant becomes 7 to 10 inches long, you can repot it in bigger containers. Eggplants usually need a good space to grow its roots, therefore, at least 45 centimeters diameter, 45 centimeters height pot is needed for a 1 plant. And if you add 2 plants in a pot, the pot should be 60 centimeters diameter and 60 centimeters height. The potting mixture contains 1 topsoil, 1 compost and 1 sand. When filling the pot, add 1 inch of rubble, 1 inch of sand for better water flow. You can use coir dust as well with the potting mixture. Keep 3 to 4 inches gap to fill the manure later. from the 1 to 2 inch seedling level onwards. You have to spray a pesticide like neem oil every 4 days time. Especially you need to spray this underneath the leaves. Every 10 days time, add an organic fertilizer like compost or cow manure by loosening the soil. Every 7 days time, you can have a good harvest for your home usage if you have around 10 eggplant trees. Enjoy gardening. Subscribe and keep in touch with my channel for weekly gardening videos.